Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan and welcome to the channel this evening. Now in tonight's presentation, I'm going to present to you 5 top bottom fishing candidates that I've put together in a list for you. Now the reason why I was thinking about bottom fishing is because yesterday the VectorVest composite gave us a bullish hammer, signaling that this market could potentially finding a bottom. In addition to that, the MTI and BSR are very oversold territory, so historically the market likes to find a bottom around this level. Right now, the market is still trending down, so I do not advocate buying any stocks at this time. However, I just want to present this to you so that way you can potentially add it to your shopping list when the opportunity presents itself. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. All right, here's the 5 stocks. I've got Nvidia, Lattice, First Solar, Apple, and MGM Resorts. Now, these companies I find to be a very good, well-rounded list of stocks to at least start considering when the bottom fishing opportunity presents itself. Now, as far as Nvidia here, if we take a look at price action, currently at 441, is up slightly today, just over 0.25%, overvalued to 325. But what I like about this position, look at its RV and RS. The company has solid fundamentals. Now, if we notice, the RT is below 1, but that is the point of bottom fishing. We want to get into good companies that are beaten up, and when the market decides to go in its blast off phase from this market bottom, this would be a great opportunity to be in. Now, in addition to that, the VST is at 1.31, has the hold rating right now, and look at the GRT at 34%. It is the second highest in the list. Now, Lattice Semi LSCC currently trading at $79. We value it at $56. So again, it is overvalued, but look at the fundamentals. RV and RS have great ratings at 1.42 and 1.41 respectively. Now, the RT here again below 1 because we want stocks that are beaten up in price. VST greater than 1, and that CI 1.43. Now, the reason why CI is a very key indicator to look at is because it tells you a story about the stock's price. Now, if the CI is above 1, that stock historically can resist lengthy or severe price declines and continues to grow. So you don't want to buy a stock on a dip if it historically keeps wanting to dip. Now, First Solar here coming in at 148 is undervalued compared to 226. RVRS, great ratings here. This is actually the highest in the list at 1.63, so great long-term price appreciation potential. Now, in addition to that, RT right now is at 0.51, so it currently is in a downtrend. Sell rating, however, the GRT is at 37. Now, we do have Apple on the list here as well. It is up slightly today, currently trading at 173. We value at $87, so it is overvalued at the moment. However, this is the one stock where the RV is below 1, comes in at 0.76. However, the RS makes up for it at 1.36. Now, the RT currently is at 0.91, showing us that this stock is in a downtrend, but the momentum is not that strong. Now, the VST does meet the threshold, being above 1, coming in at 1.05, and the GRT isn't the best on the list. It's at 4%, but it is positive, and it's Apple. We're all familiar with Apple, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Now, the last stock, and at the bottom of the list, comes in at MGM Resorts. Currently at $34. We do value it at $46, so it is undervalued right now. But what I really like about this, look at the RV and RS, favorable ratings here. RS, barely meeting that criteria, right at 1.00. However, the RT in a downtrend, so this stock has been beaten up quite a bit. We got the sell rating here, and the GRT is at 22%. So the stock shows that it has the ability to grow its earnings. Now, when it comes to bottom fishing here, I personally like stocks with good fundamentals. That's why you see the RV, RS is here at 1 or higher for the most part. In addition, if we look at CI, I like stocks with a CI above 1. All of these stocks here currently have a CI above 1, showing me that they have the potential to actually turn around with price action. Now, in addition to that GRT, I've got some strong earning companies here. So these are great stocks, just been beaten up with the market as a whole. So let's jump into the graphs of these stocks and see what kind of opportunities can be had. All right, first on the list is a crowd favorite. We have Nvidia. As you can see here, it did hit this level of support at 409.98 cents. Since then, price action has been to the upside. We're hitting this level of resistance right now at 443.06. Again, I'd like to see confirmation break above this level of resistance. The 3 is above the 8-day exponential moving average, showing that momentum stays to the upside currently. In addition, look at the earnings per share, EPS, nice lower left, upper right fashion. This company clearly shows its ability to make money. Now let's go to the next stock. We got LSCC. Now this one definitely just got the sell rating as of today. A lot of selling pressure on this. I mean, this stock was close to $100 at its high not too long ago. Now, since then, it's broken 2 levels of resistance. Now we're sitting at a level of support at 76.91. So if the market can turn itself around, that could potentially push this stock to change direction. Now, for confirmation, I like to see, obviously some green lights, primary wave up signal in the market, but not only with the market, the stock itself. I'd like to see that 3-day exponential moving average cross above the 8-day exponential moving average, showing a shift in trend. Now, in addition, the EPS here, nice lower left to upper right. Again, this is a solid company that has just been beaten up in price currently. Now, if we go to the next company, we got First Solar here. Now, this did hit a new low today. It's had its sell rating now for a couple weeks here. We broke 2 levels of resistance. Now, again, sitting at a level support. So if the market can turn around, this company is primed for a good bounce off this level of support. And if we look at the earnings per share, EPS, nice lower left, upper right. So you are getting into a great company that makes money. Now, let's go to the next stock. We've got Apple, another crowd favorite here. No sell rating, just has the hold right now. The 3 did cross above the 8-day exponential moving average. I did a short on this earlier this week because I like this bounce coming out of the support. Now, I'd like to break this support zone, get above the top level of the zone here, which is close to this level of resistance at 176.27. So if we can get a little bit more upside price action with this position, and if we can get the market on our side, Apple could be a great bottom fishing opportunity as this market looks for a bottom. Now, EPS here, Apple, we all know it makes money. Nice, steady, stair-step fashion, so I like that, and its earnings per share. Now, the last company here, we have MGM Resorts. This company was over $50 at its high back on July 31st, $51.35. Since then, price action, steep retracement, a lot of selling pressure here. 3 is currently below the 8-day exponential moving average. The sell rating has been given now for the past few weeks. But we are about to hit 2 levels of support here with these 2 green lines. So if MGM can bounce, if I could see a nice retracement, maybe some kind of bullish candlestick formation showing me some confirmation that MGM has found a bottom, along with the market starting to turn around, this could also be a great opportunity for short-term gains in the near future. And again, great company here. Look at its EPS, earnings per share over the last 5 months. The company has the ability to make money. All right, VV Nation, I hope you enjoyed my top 5 picks for bottom fishing opportunities as this market reveals itself. Now, conditions can change with these stocks, just like with the market itself, but with the levels that we're at with the BSR and MTI, the market is really oversold right now. Now, the market can continue to go down. That's why we want to be on the right side of the market. If you are a subscriber, stick to watching the daily color guard report. It will go over the color guard and the timing system itself. So that way you can stay on the right side and see when this opportunity will present itself. Now, if you're not a subscriber, click in the description below. I did put a link there for a trial. It's 99 cents for 30 days. Check it out. I definitely see this opportunity being presented before us within the next 30 days. So that way you can really see the power of the VectorVest 7 software. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give our support a call. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications.
Hey VV Nation, you know that we can analyze any stock in a matter of seconds. Do you want to analyze any of your stocks for free? You want VectorVest to tell you what you really need to know about that stock? Well, you can. If you go to www.vectorvest.com/YTFSA, you can get a free stock analysis on any stock that you're currently holding or are possibly looking at. Folks, what do you have to lose? Do that now and analyze any of your stocks in a matter of seconds.